Alright, this is the beach club at Seminole Hard Rock. This is the guitar pool. Nice little pool area right here. As you can see, everything over here. It's a very nice and clean area. But I know there's a lazy river with the cabanas. Very nice outside. And it's a good thing that they got these cameras because it is hot in here. So there's a little bar and restaurant. Here is the rest of the view with the giant guitar. So it looks like a bunch of little kids are here so they can get an early swim in. So here's where the cabanas are. It's Bubbles and Biscuits, the Amazon affiliate again. So, I'm here to bring another item to you that is essential. It's not expensive, and to say that I use it on every cruise is legitimately true. Because I've had no issues getting this through any checkpoints, and even on a plane. It's not a problem. I literally take it and I put it in my carry-on bag. It can also go in your suitcase. It doesn't matter. But on a cruise, it's essential. And if you are an avid cruiser, you know what I'm about to say. Older ships, that AC is hot. You can turn it all the way down, it's still hot. So, and I like to have like moving air on my face constantly. So I bought a fan. This fan fits the inspection. It's 12 inches around. And man, does it blow a breeze. It's a chargeable. The charging port is right here. It's a Type-C charger. This is a telescopic fan. You see how nice and compact it comes? Easy to travel with. So in order to go ahead and expand it, you turn it. This is what the base looks like. And expand it just like that, right? So I can extend this just from this point. I'm going to scoot back a little bit. Just from this point, I can expand it. And this is about as tall as my waist, okay? So that means it's tall enough to be right next to your bed and still be blowing you a breeze. So we're going to shrink it down and let me show you the quality of this little fan right here. We're going to bring out the wig test one more again, all right? So here we go. This is the wig. We will see. This is on level 1. Level 1, you see some of the hair moving. Level 2, you see more hair moving. Level 3, when I tell you it's a true breeze, it's a true breeze, okay? It is a great object to have. And that's level 4, so it goes back down. It also does have a light on it, and it comes with a remote. Very essential to have, and I can take it with me off of the ship, over to the beach. This thing still works. No problems at all. Completely portable. Get you one, folks! It's needed, because it's hot, okay? Extremely. And here's like these little pools for each one of these cabanas. reserve. You got a couch. I'm pretty sure that there's like a little mini fridge right there with a TV and a fan and a view. 2 chairs, our own little dipping pool. And then those are the bigger cabanas over there in the back. So all this area, it's very nice. It's very relaxing out here. And wheelchair accessible chair, which is great. I can say this much. This place has got to be booming when it is summertime, because there ain't no way. So this is the pool for Bora Bora. This is not a pool. This is just a walkway. The Bora Bora is another one of the hotels for Hard Rock. So they have the bigger area. And there, it looks like there's a gentleman out there cleaning. Your restrooms. And here you are for Bora Bora. So with the Bora Bora portion, this is the one where you can like rent little things for your kids, like the little boats and stuff. See? There they are, way over there. So I'm not sure if they're actually kayaks or not. And the gentleman cleaning the pool. It looks, yeah, there is sand on this one. There you go. A little bit of a sandy beach.